If the clock app is not working correctly on the now bar on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, if you don't have any buttons, it just says stopwatch or alarm or anything else. The reason why this happens is because you have hidden content of notifications, more specifically from the clock app. So we're gonna go to settings and then proceed to notifications, and we can go to hide content while locked. So if you have the content hidden, this is the reason why the clock app is not working. And if you set to show always, then after that, if we go to the now bar, you should be able to see that it is now working. However, if you still prefer to have the content hidden, what you can also do is hide it again. And this time we're gonna go back and go to app notifications, and then proceed to clock. And over here in these settings, you want to select show or hide content when locked, and you want to set it to show always. So when it is set to show always and the content is generally hidden, you will see that the clock app is now an exception. Then now it should work as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.